GCDF odong' e lwet wabunge koso oyo 2-6-0 dwaro winjo pachi. Mbui mar e-citizen mabende yudo chenro mag sirikal okelo penjo mathoth ka sani koro jood bura onyiso luoro ni mbuino kidek podho kaponi orak mar weg mbuino ibiro magi. Kaluwore gi winjruok mar orak mar e-citizen, kembe adek, Webmasters Kenya Limited, Pesaflow Limited kod Olive Tree Media Limited nikod thuolo mar chungo chenro magi kaponi omagi orak. Jood bura manie komiti mar arita ochwalo penjo ewi mbuino kendo dwaro ng'eyo matut ewi maling'ling' mag mbuino.
And concerning security and compliance control, the e-citizen system is continuously monitored via Security Operating Center, which is at the Nyayo House, providing real-time monitoring, checking on any intrusion so that such intrusion is detected and dealt with in good time.
I've just read it the way it has been given to me. And I can tell you, Chair, it is very scary.
The former PS kept saying that e-citizen is fully owned by government. And from the look of things, it looks very different. We'll need time to interrogate the contracts so that we can also be able to engage appropriately.
Maybe we can able to step down, have members go through the contract document, because that was the whole big issue. Maybe the DG can also at least supply us with the material needed or necessary. Then we have also a session and a retreat with our members so that we consider now calling back again.